Today you are going to sort the words you see here under the keywords you see here. Escape, baseball, forgive. You need to sort the words according to the syllable in which the vowel consonant silent E appears. It's very important to say the words aloud because sometimes there are exceptions. In these exceptions, the vowel sound in the syllable with the vowel consonant silent E pattern is not long. The exception should be sorted under the keyword forgive. Like this word, imagine. It falls under this category in the keyword forgive. Now I'm looking at this word mistake, and it falls into this category under the keyword escape. I'm looking at this word homework, and it falls under the keyword baseball. Be sure to say the words, sort the words, write the words, and then read the words.